Hi guys, Hubert here, and today we will be showing what Notiq is. And this is our initial pitch deck. So, first of all, what do we do? So, we are helping busy people focus by organizing and highlighting what matters most across all their inboxes, whether it's Gmail, Slack, LinkedIn, whatever. And in order to tell you how do we do it, let me tell you a short story. So whenever I was opening my laptop, I was feeling quite overwhelmed. Like a lot of emails, Slack pings, LinkedIn messages, WhatsApp messages, and somewhere there was there were some critical updates, actually some important emails that I had to read. I was creating more and more folders, forgetting those emails, and then of course my inbox was just piling up, and I would waste usually a lot of time every day, especially after coming back after vacation, and just to figure out what needed my attention. And that's actually an issue because it wasn't just stressful; it was actually quite costly. And because I missed like key messages, dropped some action items, and really spent hours reacting instead of thinking clearly. And actually, I wasn't alone. Like, I talked to executives, sales leads, ops managers. Everyone was struggling with this communication overload. And and so, what is the solution actually? Because the main problem, it's not too many messages. There's no system that shows you what actually matters. And we don't need another inbox, another Gmail, another Slack that is more AI based. And we just need focus. We need this clarity. That's why we, if we provide some unified view of all those messages and kind of try to combine all of those medias, all those inboxes into one clear space and bring categorization, prioritization, and summarization, as well as action item extractions for all those messages, then none of them will get lost. And we've actually managed to build it. So this is a short example of how it looks like right now. So this is one of the versions of Notiq, with the main dashboard, with the main focus fits, how many urgent items there are, currently total unhandled messages, are all the messages that haven't been read by me. Um, and this is different integrations that will allow. Right now, of course, it's only Gmail, but soon Outlook, Slack, Teams, and others are coming soon. Um, and of course, different categorization, as well as generating replies and either sending them directly or just using them and creating them as a draft so that the person can immediately show it, and show it and send it through Gmail. And basically, this is it. I know that this pitch was a bit long, but of course, this is just the first version. Um, and if you want to save your time and master your communication, choose Notiq. Um, yeah, thank you.